We've created these series of videos to introduce you to our shop. We have this Tesla Model 3 in today that we're prepping for paint protection film and ceramic coating install. At this point, we've already removed the Tesla logo and we're just going through our 2-bucket wash process of just getting the surface thoroughly clean and ready for paint protection film installation. Careful when you're washing your car not to utilize too much pressure with your wash mitt, and always rinse thoroughly. Rinse thoroughly as a part of your preparation. Once this is washed, we're drying down the surface using some of our premium waffle weave microfiber towel. This will now be followed up shortly by our process of clay barring the surface to remove any contaminants that might have become bonded to the surface. This is a slow and steady process during which we're utilizing no pressure. We don't want to mar the surface, but we're using our hands and our eyes and our feel of the surface to just make sure that there is nothing there. This may not show up very readily for you over video, but here we have a series of iron particles that oftentimes get bonded to vehicles during transit. We're using our iron and fallout remover here to dissolve this. This is very, very important that we get this gone. We do not want to trap moisture under there with this iron that over time could result in the rusting of the finish. And now we're going over a little bit more thoroughly. Sometimes you see this more dramatically on a white car. This video will not show you that result, but we know what we're looking for. We're professionals here and we're working just to get that done. Now we've gotten on to our polishing stage because we want to improve, eliminate swirls and just improve the overall presentation of the finish prior to the application of the paint protection film. Rinse again, because we want to make sure that there's absolutely no debris under the film. Moving to our stage now, we're cleaning down the jams of the vehicle. We're prepping now, final prep before the installation of the paint protection film. A couple of different things that are involved here. We want to make sure our table is clean. We want to make sure our surface is clean, our hands are clean. Once the film is laid down here, it may look like something you could do at home, but our environment is relatively dust-free, and this is something that we've honed this skill over years of meticulous application. And so it does look easier than you might think, but don't try this at home. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope that they are of benefit to you. And we're hoping to make a series out of shop talk, just showing you some of the stuff that goes on in our shop and some of the challenges that needs to be addressed in the process of preparing a car for paint protection film and or ceramic coating. See you next time. Thank you.